Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen speaks with the acting senior medical officer for the National HIV Program about new infections and what's being done to improve the program.
According to recent data from the Ministry of Health, in 2018, there were 1,500 new HIV cases. In 2019, 1,200. 2020, just under 900. And up to September of this year, there were approximately 350 new cases. Dr. Alicia Rob Allen is the acting senior medical officer for the National HIV Program in the Ministry of Health.
So the highest numbers are coming from our urban areas, so St. James, St. Catherine, Kingston, and St. Andrew. But when you look at the population, we also have our largest populations are within those parishes. But when you look at the number, when you compare the size, the number of new cases compared to the population in those parishes, it's not significant as compared to 43 persons per 100,000 population within a St. Anne or 41 per 100,000 population in a Westmoreland.
There have been concerns that HIV-infected persons have been shying away from treatment at health facilities due to stigma and discrimination. But Dr. Rob Allen says her data suggests otherwise.
I can say to you that on an annual basis, we're adding 1,200 persons to our treatment sites island-wide, and that's within the government and non-government sector. Within the government sector, we're adding about 900 persons on an annual basis to our treatment sites. So it's not a reluctance, it is persons starting to live with a new diagnosis.
She's also insisting that the HIV program is working, but admits there are areas which need to be improved.
Actively, we are addressing it by ensuring that our staff within our health facilities are aware of what they should be doing to not show stigma and discrimination to anybody, not just persons with HIV. It is something that you have to live and practice so that you recognize what you're doing. In terms of education not only within our health facilities, but within the wider community.
Persons are encouraged to practice safe sex and get tested for HIV. With a health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.